Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, sir. I've been thinking of doing a Israel. I know my channel's like dead and probably no one's watching this, but honestly, like, I've been gone because school issues, family issues, and just like life in general. Like, life has been kicking me so much. Just like being like, oh hey, I see your day's going well and like your life's going well right now, so the devil is here to fix that and make your life miserable. Like, that's how I felt. Like, me just sitting down, nice sunny day, you know, it's Gucci Mane, and then something goes wrong. Yeah. But I'll make it up to you guys, because guess what? My dad, we had an agreement. If I could at least stay in school and not get homeschooled, for at least this year, then I would be able to get an LPS card. Because I've been looking forward to getting homeschooled, and he was like, hey, Ryan, my lovely child thing, whatever. He's just like, hey, so let's make a deal. If you stay in, like, public schools and just don't get homeschooled, I will let you go to LPS Con of 2020. I was like, oh my, if it's gonna happen this year, he was like, yeah, it'll happen. Like, if it does happen, you're going. And I'm like, oh my god. Like, oh my god, thank you, Dad, like, so much, and blah, blah, blah. Though, like, we're probably not gonna really buy anything there. We're probably gonna buy half of our food, because, I might be going to the one in Florida. In Florida, honestly, it's pretty expensive there. But I'll be there. Gosh, my back hurts. But, like, as I was saying, like, also be expecting, like, some packaging videos soon. Like, some packaging videos, they'll be happening soon. I've never, like, honked the hOrN, because I'm not the bad kid. I see my parents do it all the time. I love on how. I don't know how to honk a hOrN, because I was never that kid who would honk the hOrN. Hold on. Yeah, I just won't. It won't let me do it. How do people... I don't know how. Also, I'm weak, so... What's up?